Thank you, Baron. Appreciate it. I'm sure everyone will, remember those words coming from the heart.
Right? Who would like to answer next? Kung bakit niyo po tinanggap ang project na to and what makes it different from your past projects? Maurice?
Well, I think naman all of us, we all feel so lucky to be part of this show. Kasi nung nalaman namin, miniting kami, nung nalaman namin na maging part na kami, it's super exciting kasi this production, even nung pagkasabi ni Derek Lester, they all want to reach something for action here sa Philippines. And sobrang happy kami, naging part kami nito kasi gusto talaga nila mag-break ng boundaries, lahat. Marami silang gustong i-achieve. So yeah, daming eksena. First time namin magawa, super ganda ng pagkagawa ng mga stunts, ng actions, ng scenes, ng costumes, everything, mga guns, super ganda ng lahat. And ang ganda nilang story kasi somehow nagme-mirror siya of what's really happening in the country and all over the world. Maraming mga issues na i-resolve, maraming mga may ilahad sa mga manonood, sa mga nangyayari in real life, yung mga sad na nangyayari. So yeah, parang it's action-packed, but it's also full of heart, the show.
Yes. Tsaka parang may social relevance akong nakuha dun sa answer niya. And ang ganda na, may goal pala, no? To elevate the quality of action dramas here in the Philippines. And trailer pa lang, kitang-kita na natin yon. Andun na talaga. Yes. So, supportahan po natin January po yan, mga kapamilya. Okay, who else would like to answer po?
Maybe si Kyla. She's not sitting there.
Yeah, well, for me personally, it's my first time doing something of the action genre, and it's also something that I've always wanted to do. So when I heard about it, and when I heard that I was going to be a part of it, I was really very excited, and at the same time nervous. And syempre, I still feel quite nervous because it hasn't aired yet, and syempre, we all wanted to be successful, and we all wanted to do well because we've put so much of ourselves into the show, and we have a lot of faith because we know what we've put into it, and we're also very excited for everybody to see it. So yeah, personally for me, it was it was such an exciting project to take on, and finally I'm doing something that I really wanted to do for a long time, and sobrang saya ko because sobrang saya ng tapings namin, honestly. Because we're all together, we all have so much fun with each other. Not just us as a cast, but even with the crew. So it's such a joy to go to taping every day, to see each other every lock and cycle, and to spend time with each other. So it's really, though it can be physically exhausting at times, but it makes it so much more fun and such a joy to wake up every day and see each other kasi ang ganda ng friendship na nabuo namin as a cast. And I'm so excited for people to see that and for it to reflect on screen as well.
Galing. First time din pala niya at matagal niyang hinintay yung ganitong project. So like Maurice, it's your first time also, Kai, ng action. Ikaw, Anthony.
Ako nag-Ironheart na pala ako, pero hindi masyadong maraming action sa Ironheart kasi yung time na yun. Pero ito yung first project na parang, nga sabi ni Tito, yung pinakamalaking project na napuntahan niya. Sa sobrang tagal niya na sa industriya. So parang ako na bago pa lang, hindi na sorry. Tapos parang, sobrang excited na din kasi ako. Kasi simula ng training pa lang ng Muay Thai, nakikita ko na agad yung kalalabasan. Parang nakikita mo na yung mangyayari agad sa show. So parang, ayun, as nalaman ko pa yung mga cast na kasama ko, sila Tito E, sila Richard ulit, mga barakong action stars talaga. So parang, paano ko sasabay sa mga pangala ko mag-training, papalaki ako ng katawan.
Paano yung
Magpapa-ups ako.
Magaling siya. Papa-ups ka na?
Magpapa-ups ako. Next year.
Wait, next year, 1 month na lang yun, ha?
Pagtapos na yung show. Pero yun nga, sobrang different ng project na sobrang kakaiba talaga. Excited lang ako na makapunta pa sa mga ibang lugar, gano'n siya. And ayun, excited pa ako sa mga training kasi kahit ngayon naman ongoing pa rin yung mga trainings namin. So parang everyday learning pa rin siya para sa amin. And ayun, excited ako na lumabas na yung show. And ayun, sana ma-enjoy yung show guys. Kita-kita, excited.
Uy, so tutuloy ko lang yung kasi sabi mo nga excited kang makapunta pa sa iba-ibang places, ganun. Saan ka pinaka nag-enjoy so far? Dun sa mga napuntahan mo na?
Actually, Palawan. First time ko kasi pumunta ng Palawan. So parang yun yung... yung Italy rin naman. Pero syempre, yung Palawan, nakita ko si Kyla maging blue dun. Maging blue. So sobrang pagod niya kasi mainit yung time na yun.
Parang wait lang, paano naging blue si Kai? Parang may kwento behind this.
Muntik na
oh.
siyang oo eh. Pero sa, di ba? Oo. Nakita ko yung pagod, yung exhaust ng lahat. Basang-basa na yung mga damit namin. Ang babango na nga namin pag So ayan, ang saya ng sobrang fun ng show. 17 lahat. Pati yung boat ride pala namin papunta sa location. Yun yung pinaka para sa Ha?
Kwento mo lang lahat sabi ni DJ, oh.
Kwento ko na lahat. So, ayun lang po, thank you.
So dahil po dyan may separate interview po tayo kay Anthony Jennings after
Yes.
this. Opo, wag po kayo aalis.
Baka sa season 2, baka malaki na yung katawan mo.
Iaabangan namin yung pa-abs
Next
ni
year.
Anthony Jennings. And now let's go to Papa E. Na kanina parang hindi niya lang pinupuli na ba siya or parang Jape. Hindi natin alam. So Papa E, kayo po.
Ako naman, some of you would know I've been doing action movies since the 90s. Sige na, Anthony! I've done a lot of action movies before and I've worked with Direk Lester. I believe in his vision. And kung hindi nyo na itatanong, si Direk Lester is a world champion sa Wushu. So he's really into martial arts and he knows his stuff. And that's why he has a pool of stuntmen also who are well trained. So ibang level talaga. And I've worked with them, Direk Lester and Chard also sa last show, di ba? Sa Ironheart. And then it's always challenging to kasi gusto ni Direk Lester lagi i-elevate yung kayang gawin. And I believe in his vision kasi ultimately si Direk Lester gusto niya hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas pero gusto niya ipakita sa foreign market na yung mga Pilipino kaya namin sumabay. Gusto namin gumawa ng ganito quality and he wants to open doors for all of us. Kasi nga dito sa Philippines napakaraming magagaling na writers, directors, actors, and sanay tayo sa industriya eh. Kasi mahilig tayo sa pelikula at sa TV. And yun lang, laki lang nagiging problema naman yung resources natin. So hopefully, pag sinuwerte, it might open doors and we'll have more resources because ako din, I believe in the Filipino talent talaga. So.
Yes.